Recording voice memos on Android is pretty easy, but it can be a little confusing because the actual app used for this will be slightly different depending on what type of Android phone you have. I'm going to do this on a Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy, but if you have a OnePlus, Motorola, Xiaomi, or something else, they all have their own variants of the app. But search for Recorder and you'll usually find what you need. First off, all the recorders work the same way. You'll see some sort of a record button, you'll tap that to start recording, and then you can pause or stop the recording and save it. Pretty straightforward. The Recorder app on Google Pixel is pretty cool because it not only does it give you a button to view a transcript for each recording, it can also show you a transcript in real time as you're recording it. And what's nice about the transcripts is that you can use the search tool to search for any kind of word or phrase that's located somewhere within your recordings, and it'll instantly find the correct recording and the section that has your keyword in it. If you're on a Samsung phone, it's all pretty similar. Samsung has their own voice recorder, and besides voice memos, this one, for example, shows my call recordings here as well. Again, not exactly rocket science. You'll tap the red button, record, and then hit pause or stop. One cool thing about the Samsung app is that if you go to the settings by tapping the little top left menu first, and then tap the gear icon, you can turn on stereo recording, which basically uses the microphones on both the top and bottom of your phone. It'll give you a better sound quality if you're doing an interview, for example, and holding the phone between yourself and another person. Anyways, that's how you make voice memos on Android phones. As always, each phone will look slightly different, but the main idea is the same. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks all.